Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Gckey credentials, app client ID, redirect URI, and scopes. Once ready, sign into the Gckey portal and open the developer or integration area. You will register the application now, provide the exact redirect URI, and select scopes the app needs so tokens match permissions. Make sure browser cookies and time are correct to avoid token errors, and keep your client secret secure. These steps let the service recognize your app for secure authentication and authorization. You now configure the app details and authorization settings in the Gckey developer console. Enter the client secret and confirm redirect URI exactly. Mismatches cause failures. Select the minimal scopes required so users consent only to necessary data, and set token lifetime per security policy. Once saved, copy the client ID and secret into your application config. Then construct an authorization, request URL using response type and scope, and test it in a private window to finish by exchanging the authorization code for tokens at the token endpoint and store them securely. You will need refresh tokens for long sessions. Validate the ID and access tokens, inspect claims, and implement token refresh and error handling. Once done, perform full end-to-end tests including sign-out and token expiry scenarios. If anything fails, recheck exact redirect URI, system clock synchronization, and whether requested scopes were granted. Those three issues cause most integration problems. Update secrets and retest after any change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.